Have you been looking for the perfect way to make thumbnails to make your life a little bit easier? As a content creator, you probably spend a lot of time trying to figure out what your idea is for this particular thumbnail and what colors, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You've come to the right place. My first impression of Thumbs AI was like, okay, is it just another program, another app that's just going to try to take my money and just not really worth it? No. I was so pleasantly surprised at how easy this thing is. It's so simple. Now check this out. This is something I did that was real creative because I like being creative for my different brands and promoting different products. But look at what I did with a basic thumbnail that I created with Thumbs AI.
Exactly what you want. You've come to the right place. Click on the link associated with this post and try thumbs.ai. You will be so glad you.
Okay, yes, I brought that to life with another program, but I made the initial thumbnail with Thumbs AI. So let's take a look at how this is going to work. This is Thumbs AI. This is what the first page looks like when you first open it up after you start. Okay, now let's look at this. I'm going to show you exactly, move you through the process of making a thumbnail so you can see exactly how simple it actually is to make a thumbnail. Explore gives you all the different options that you can explore. Now let's do the Thumbs AI. That's what we're doing right here. Text to thumbnail. You can simply put in what you want. Do you want to show your face? That's optional. You can, or you don't have to show your face. Since we're having the sad creator pointing at the words, we're going to go ahead and put in one of these faces. We can add a face by simply on add face. You can upload your own sad face, or you can look over here and let's see if we see something sad right there, sad face. That's uploading the original face. We're going to generate that sad face. Okay, that gives us a different face. Let's download that, keep it on our computer for later use. And we're going ahead, now that we've done this, save and use this face. Enter, say, Candy, sad face. Use this face. Oh, here, it already checks it for you. A sad creator pointing at the words. Is it generate thumbnail? While we're waiting for that to generate, I've been doing a lot of different thumbnails to see how it works and to see if it could do everything I want it to do. And it does absolutely everything that I want it to do. Change the background, change the expressions, change the emotions, change the feelings, change the look. You can make this into whatever you want for all your content creation needs. So if you're tired of the old way of doing thumbnails, where you have to look and create and just do a whole bunch of things that just drive your mind boggles, you can forget about all that with Thumbs AI. Is it worth it? Now you see it took the words that it had, Thumbs AI, and it put the words that you want. Is it worth it?